In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process to replace a locker compartment door lock. If you've reported a faulty lock to Clean, we'll send you a replacement. Begin by opening the locker door. Using a screwdriver, remove the retaining screw that secures the lock mechanism in place. Carefully continue loosening the screw until it can be removed completely. With the retaining screw removed, slide the damaged lock mechanism out from the front of the locker door. Take the replacement lock supplied by Clean and insert it into the opening in the locker door. Ensure the lock is correctly aligned and sits flush against the surface of the door. Insert the retaining screw and tighten it securely using your screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten, as this could damage the lock or the locker door. Once the new lock has been secured, check that it is firmly fitted and correctly positioned. The lock should not move or rotate within the door. Your locker compartment door lock replacement is now complete. If you experience any issues or need further assistance, please contact Clean Customer Service. Thank you for watching.